3 days out, we go to site and we make sure the slab is as it should be. So we'll measure everything, make sure it's correct, ready to accept the timber frame kit. 2 days out, we'll have the sole plate laid, ready to receive kit on site. 1 day out, we'll actually build the roof for the house. We'll build that on the slab because it's the correct dimensions. Drop in your apex panels, all your trusses built up on site. We then pick that up and we'll set it on the slab beside to allow us to, on day one, erect all the ground floors. Everything will arrive on site as it should be. This is our closed panel system here actually getting installed. Our first floors will arrive on day one, and we'll set them to the side. Sorry, we'll set them on top of the ground floor, while first floor walls are then erected on top. Then on day one, lift the roof in. So we'll have done all that in 1 day. So we've got house up with the roof on, and then we continue with final checks, and on day 3, hand the building over. So within 48 hours, really, your building's wind, water tight, and ready to be handed over.